Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore the process of building a wonderful wooden house, from the very first steps to its completion. With natural materials, each piece of wood becomes an essential part in creating a sustainable and vibrant structure. Join me as we start this journey of building a beautiful wooden house, from rough logs to the finest finishing details. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the upcoming videos. To begin building the wooden house, the first step is to clear the site. I'll start by raking away debris and leaves to the back, then proceed to dig and level the ground. This step is crucial to ensure a solid foundation for the house. Let's get started. Next, I'm lighting a fire to prepare for treating the large wooden logs. Heating the wood is a traditional method to prevent rot and extend its durability. Once that's done, these logs will be erected to form the main framework of the house. I'm placing the horizontal beams onto the framework to shape the roof. These beams will support the entire roof structure, making the house sturdy and weather-resistant. Now, I'm securing the horizontal beams to the framework to make sure they are firmly in place. This step is crucial to ensure the entire structure is stable, especially the roof. Everything needs to be solid before moving on to the next steps. I'll start by building the floor first. The floor will be elevated off the ground to prevent moisture and ensure the house is durable over time. This is especially important in areas with high humidity, keeping the living space dry. Once the floor is complete, I'll move on to constructing the main framework of the house. Each log will be placed in the correct position to create a strong and balanced structure. Every detail is carefully checked to ensure the house remains stable and safe. Now, I'm taking the wooden planks to nail them around the house. These planks will be securely attached to the framework, forming the outer layer to protect the house from the weather. Each plank is carefully measured and cut to fit perfectly, ensuring there are no gaps, making the outer layer strong and stable. To protect the house from moisture and cold winds, I'm wrapping a tarpaulin around the structure. This tarpaulin will prevent rainwater and humidity from getting inside while blocking the cold winds, keeping the interior dry and warm. This is a very effective temporary measure during the construction process, protecting the house from harsh weather conditions. Now, I'm using the wooden planks to create a solid, level surface. The planks are arranged and secured together to form a smooth and stable foundation. After that, I'll cover it with a waterproof tarpaulin to protect it from rain and moisture, keeping everything underneath dry. This waterproof layer will help shield the house from harsh weather conditions and extend the life of the structure. Let's lay down a waterproof layer beneath the floor to prevent moisture from seeping up from the ground. This layer is crucial to keep the space underneath dry and protect the house from mold. After that, let's place a layer of dry tree bark on top of the waterproof layer. The bark will add insulation and help stabilize the floor structure. Finally, let's begin nailing the wooden planks on top to create a level and stable surface for the floor. This way, we have a solid, dry floor that's well protected from the elements. Next, I'll plant the stakes on both sides of the house to form a protective frame around the land. These stakes will help secure the area, preventing soil erosion and maintaining stability around the house. After that, I'll nail wooden planks onto the stakes, creating a strong wall that will protect the soil and help define the surrounding space. This wooden layer will keep the soil in place, while also adding a natural, aesthetic touch that blends with the environment. I'll start shoveling soil and spreading it around the house to create a stable foundation. The soil will be evenly distributed around the house, not only providing support for the structure but also helping to keep moisture out. A layer of soil will also be spread over the roof, helping to protect the roof layer from weather elements and providing natural insulation. This is an important step to ensure the house remains strong and durable over time. Now, I'll begin installing the main door and windows for the house. The main door is a crucial part of the house, as it not only provides security but also serves as the first focal point when you look at the house. I'll ensure that the main door is securely fitted, making sure it opens and closes smoothly without gaps, keeping the house safe and private. The main door should also have an attractive design that complements the overall architecture of the house, creating an impressive exterior. Once the main door is installed, I'll move on to the windows. These windows will be positioned strategically to maximize natural light and ensure proper ventilation throughout the house. The windows will not only provide fresh air but also help create a living space that feels more connected to nature, giving the residents a sense of comfort and relaxation. Each window and door will be carefully installed and thoroughly checked to make sure they operate smoothly, without getting stuck or damaged. I'll ensure they are durable and able to withstand environmental factors over time. Now, I'll install the fireplace for the house. The fireplace will help keep the space warm, especially on cold days. I'll carefully choose the best location for the fireplace, ensuring safety and efficiency. The chimney will be routed outside through the roof to vent smoke. Once installed, I'll check the fireplace to ensure it's working properly and providing enough heat to keep the house warm. Now, I'll make a simple set of table and chairs using wooden planks. First, I'll select high-quality wooden planks that are straight and free from cracks. This ensures the durability of the final product. Next, I'll carefully measure and cut the planks into the appropriate sizes for each part, including the tabletop, table legs, and chair seats. This step requires precision to ensure that all joints fit together perfectly and the table and chairs are assembled securely. Once the framework of the table and chairs is complete, I'll inspect each joint to ensure there are no loose parts. Finally, I'll finish the surface by applying a protective coating to prevent termites and enhance its appearance. This table and chair set will not only be functional for everyday use but also perfectly complement the rustic style of the wooden house. With its simple yet elegant design, it will bring a cozy and harmonious feel to the living space. After finishing the table and chairs, I'll start working on the bed. Wooden planks will be carefully selected and cut to create a strong bed frame. Then, I'll add horizontal slats to form the bed base, ensuring it can support weight well. Finally, I'll sand and inspect everything thoroughly to make sure it's safe and comfortable. With this table, chairs, and bed, the living space will feel complete and more convenient. I'll start building the staircase leading to the front door. First, I'll measure the position and height of the staircase, ensuring the steps are evenly sized for easy use. Next, I'll cut large wooden planks to create the main frame of the staircase. Once the frame is securely installed, I'll cut smaller wooden pieces to form the individual steps. These steps will be firmly attached to the frame using nails or screws to ensure stability and strength. I'll also sand down the surfaces and edges of the steps to enhance safety and appearance. Finally, I'll inspect the entire staircase to make sure it can bear weight well and is comfortable to use. The staircase not only serves as the pathway to the house but also plays a crucial role in completing the overall structure, providing both functionality and visual appeal. Thank you for following along with today's building process. I hope you found it interesting and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you soon!